Good morning, Miva. Monday morning, as a matter of fact. So, our quote of the day gets us kind of started on this, and it's from Charles Dickens. Time, consoler of affliction and softener of anger, could do nothing to help them. I'm wondering if that is from A Christmas Carol, which is something that people will be keeping up with and looking at again this season. So, take that under your advisement today. All right. Announcements. Well, today is Mickey Mouse birthday, November 18th. Hi, gang. How's it going? I'm Mickey Mouse. Ha ha. All right, on November 18th, Mickey Mouse birthday commemorates the debut of a lovable mouse that was once a rabbit called Oswald. Interesting fact. His character got his start on film on this day in 1928, but before that, the story begins in 1927 when Walt Disney first sketched a floppy-eared bunny while under contract to Universal Studios. The events that unraveled brought us Mickey Mouse. Hey, gang! All right, so today in history, in 1861, the first provisional meeting of the Confederate Congress is held in Richmond, Virginia. So there's a picture up here of that building that is still there today, I believe. And then in 1921, this was interesting. That's almost 100 years ago. New York City considers varying work hours to avoid long traffic jams. Here's a picture back in that day. Interestingly, those old versions of the cars that they had. Then, of course, I already mentioned a little bit, but in 1928, Mickey Mouse makes his film debut, and it was called Steamboat Willie. That was the movie, and it was actually an animated picture. So that was started out what is now the whole Disney complex, and of course Disney now owns Star Wars and a whole bunch of other things, right? All right, in 1936, the main span of the Golden Gate Bridge is in San Francisco is joined. So that's kind of a neat picture of the one of the last bridge parts that were put on there. Interesting way that they did that back in those days. Okay, we need to share some dates. I know that's kind of a scary looking dude. I'm not sure which movie he's from, but he is pretty interesting, isn't he? All right. Don't forget our Miva meet and greet is happening this Friday, November 22nd, 4 to 6. So Ms. Lance likes to know if you're going to be going. Make sure you let her know and make sure to show up. That sounds like a fun thing for everybody. Don't forget the Portland Stage is putting on It's a Wonderful Life, a live radio play, and that is on the 17th. So make sure that you let Ms. Hamilton know this if you'd like to go. Enjoy your advisory. Well, who's awesome? You are awesome, of course. And so this is your advisory time, and it is time to get you into your advisory setup. This is a shorter session than we've usually had, but I just wanted to make sure that you have a great day and that you are off and running. So good morning, you are awesome. And of course, meme makers have a great day as well. Thanks, everybody.